Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. I just got some stuff in the mail and one of them I have to open right away because it is my houseplant box. This is the second one I've received and I know this poor plant has been in this box for a few days now. Came from California. My last plant came totally healthy. It's doing well. Hold on, I'm going to show you. So here is my baby tears. Look, one of the leaves is just growing way more than the other. It's gotten a little too much sun today. I'm glad I just grabbed it. But it's doing well. I still need to get a pot to put it in, or like a planter, whatever you call them. If you guys have any recommendations for affordable like websites or stores to get pots for plants, please let me know because I definitely need to go pick some up. This guy is growing. But yeah, if you missed my last video where I got this plant that came in a box, I will link that video down below. So I've really gotten into houseplants lately and I chose this subscription because they offer a pet-friendly plant option and because the prices are affordable. The plants start at $11.25 a month and I'm really excited to see what I got this month. I have no idea what it is. But before we get started, I just want to remind you all that I have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on. The giveaway is open international and it ends midnight Eastern Standard Time on May 8th. So there's less than a week remaining, I think. Oh no, wait, there's more than a week. Gosh, it's not even May yet. My time is so messed up. Okay, so there's a little over a week remaining. So definitely check that out if you have not yet already. I will link that down below in the description box. But anyways, let's get unboxing. Okay, so when I open it up, this is what I see. It looks like it is wrapped up. Oh, and there's like these little scissor things. Must be something you have to trim. I will look more into that in a second. So let's see what baby plant we have. I'm so excited. Are you guys weird like me? Do you like talk to your plants and get so excited when they grow? Like, I love them. They're like my babies. I have my cat babies and my plant babies. Oh, here's my new plant baby. He's doing well. There's like some leaves that are kind of just like, you know, bent over from the packaging. I love the coloring. Little baby plants. Let's read about this. So every month they give you a card, and this card tells you about the plant and some tips and stuff on how to take care of it. So this is a spider plant. Oh, and it says it also comes with free pruning spears. So here, I'll show you that. Which is nice. I don't have anything like that. So here are the pruning spears. I don't really know if I need my hand to show it. It's not like a makeup item. But yeah, so that'll come in handy, I am sure. So like I said, this is the spider pant, variegated. I don't know what that means, that's in parentheses. So this has an origin from South Africa. And it says, this will grow in low light but prefers bright and direct light. Keep out of direct sun, which will scorch the leaves. And it says, let it almost dry out between waterings. And that says common issues, scorched leaves, and then it gives some tips. It says, give less sunlight. And then yellowing leaves means it needs less water. So that's really useful. And the temperature should be between 65 and 90, which is totally reasonable for a houseplant. And like I said, this is the April Pet Friendly Houseplant Box. Did I even say the name of the box in the very beginning of this? I don't know if I did. So I'm super excited. Let's get the rubber band off this. So here is my baby spider plant. I think it's so pretty. So yeah, a lot of leaves, they're not like perfect right now because of transport and everything, but feels healthy, is doing well. The soil actually looks pretty moist still, so that's good. But I am going to go put this, probably I'll put it over here, but not in the window, because I have two windows right over to the left of me where I keep all of my plants. I keep them in my filming room so my cats don't get to it. I know these are pet friendly and everything, but I don't want them to like rip them out, which they've done to my succulents many times, but I was able to rescue them. But yeah, I love this. What do you guys think? Have you ever had a spider plant before? Sorry if you can hear my cats meowing in the background. But anyways, I will definitely leave the link down to this below. I'm on their website just because I wanted to double check the pricing. And it says use code MOMSDAY at checkout to get a special discount. I'm not sure what that discount will be, but I'll leave that in the description box as well. Hopefully you get some kind of order discount, or maybe you get like a special perk or something. This one does only ship in the United States, but that makes sense. You can't really ship plants cross country. If you're familiar with that, you can't ship stuff like that. But yeah, so if you're in the US and you want a good option for pet-friendly plants, they also have regular plants too. And they also have an option that you can get like more for like an office or something. But yeah, check out their website. You can see. So yeah, you don't have to get the pet friendly, was my point. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you tomorrow.